South America has been one of the fastest growing LNG markets in the world. The key driver was Argentina's national oil company YPF being unable to satisfy domestic gas demand. And as exports evaporated, countries like Chile, Uruguay, and others seeking new sources of natural gas. For some context, Argentina's gas production has fallen roughly 20% in the last decade. We expect gas supplies in the region actually to remain challenged when you look at producers in Brazil and Argentina cutting capex to deal with the relatively lower oil price that we have right now. We also think you could see some potential delays in pipeline infrastructure that will increase demand for imported LNG. This dynamic actually puts Bolivia in a good position to be a growing supplier of gas to the region. Bolivia's rising production and strategic pipeline projects offer a source of optionality and also the opportunity to diversify its gas exports. Bolivian gas supplies are typically transported via pipeline, and production has been growing at roughly 4 to 5% annually over the last decade or so. It's already a key supplier to Argentina and Brazil. Bolivia is also developing some plans to export to Peru and Uruguay. When you look at one of the key assets that's going to drive this dynamic of Bolivia as a increased supplier of nat gas to the region, it's the Southern Peru pipeline that we're focused on. Bolivia hopes to connect its pipeline system to this Southern Peru pipeline. It's currently under construction. It wants to connect to both the pipeline and the Uruguayan port of Montevideo. This would allow Bolivia to gain access to ports on both sides of South America, giving it good flexibility to reach new export markets. We actually think this is an exciting opportunity, which could offer attractive IRRs for some investors, though we acknowledge Bolivia has high event risk. And when you look at IRRs, they're always quite sensitive to project timing. So some of these delays that we expect can sort of be the toggle there in what the IRR will be on the project, particularly when you layer in compounding. So contact us if you want to learn more about this opportunity in Bolivia. We can discuss the geopolitical risk and some of the challenges when operating in the energy sector there. Thanks.